Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make Chhena Poda, the very famous sweet of Orissa. For the recipe, we are going to take 1.5 liters of milk. Once milk starts boiling, add juice of half a lemon. The milk will start to curdle. Now collect the curds in a clean cloth. Rinse this with clean water twice or thrice. Squeeze this and drain the water as much as possible. The water has to be drained like this. Now let us transfer this into a bowl. Crumble this and make it smooth. To this let us add 3 tablespoons of semolina and half a cup of sugar. Now knead this into a nice smooth dough. To the soft dough, let us add 2 tablespoons of water. The consistency of the batter has to be like this. To this add a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and your favorite nuts and raisins. Finally add a tablespoon of ghee or melted butter and give a nice mix. So here the batter is ready. We are going to bake this in a cooker. Take a pressure cooker, add some salt in it. Spread the salt evenly, place a small bowl in the middle and close the pressure cooker. You should not use whistle or gasket. Preheat this for 10 minutes. Now take a flat deep bowl like this. Place a parchment paper, add some sugar and pour the batter. Spread this evenly. This is ready. Let us place this inside the preheated pressure cooker. Close and cook this in low flame for about 40 to 45 minutes. The cake is ready. We can take it out now. Now stick a toothpick into the middle of the cake. If it comes out clean, the cake is perfectly baked. Let us now take the cake out. The cake looks amazing. Let us cut this. Do give a try. Chhena Poda will taste so good. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.